It's Isaiah, and today I have kind of an interesting video for you guys. It's an unboxing video. To be honest, the main reason why I'm doing this is because I'm trying to distract myself kind of from things that have been going on. I'm in California right now. I'm not going to get into why my family's here because this was a very last minute, not even planning on coming here soon trip. And later I will tell you guys why we're here and what's been going on. But so with the stuff that's been going on, I'm kind of doing this video to kind of just distract myself a little bit, and also it's my passion too, so it kind of helps me relax a little bit. But either way, this is still an important thing that I think is definitely going to make my workflow for my videos better. It is a 2-in-1 memory card reader by I'll put the company name down at the bottom because I cannot pronounce this, but what this actually does is it goes straight to your iPad or iPhone and lets you import footage straight into it. Now, I recently watched a video online that was telling me about how amazing it is that the iPhone can actually import, well, not the iPhone, this is the whole Apple ecosystem in general. You can take your clips from your iPhone, put them into an iMovie project on your iPhone, and then continue it on your Mac using Final Cut. Now, I've known this is a feature for a while, but I guess I just kept seeing it and I'm like, oh, my workflow's fine, I don't want to try something new. But oh my gosh, I just gave it a try with my most recent video, the Arizona State Fair video, and it's actually pretty spectacular. I was able to take all my clips from the fair, put them on my phone, and then start editing them and cutting them when I wasn't even by my computer, and then import them straight into Final Cut with all my edits and cuts. It was amazing. Now this is going to make it so much easier because now I can take the footage from the camera. I'm actually filming this on my RX 100. I can take that footage straight from that camera, put the SD card in this, and put it straight on my phone. And I'm going to be showing you guys how this works in a second. But first of all, I think it's unboxing time. So it's a pretty straightforward unboxing. Just going to open this right here. Oop. Got some documentation that came out of here. The box is empty, but let's see. So yeah, we just got some documentation right here. And then here is the adapter. As you can see, pretty small. Looks like an Apple branded adapter, but it's not. And then that's pretty much it. And yeah, it comes with this film on it, as you can see right there. And then it has an SD card reader. And then it has a micro SD card reader. Let me see if I can get this thing to focus. Can you see that? Yeah. So it has both of them on there. Since I'm filming audio on my phone right now, we're going to try this out on my iPad. Hey guys, so it's actually the morning after I filmed this video, but I think when my iPad clips didn't transfer over properly. Also, I wanted to make this more simple. So I have the adapter actually plugged into my phone right now, and you'll see it's as easy as that. You'll see Untitled right there. That is my SD card. If I pull it out, which I just pulled it out right now, it disappears. When I plug it in, it appears right in the Files app on the iPhone on iOS 13, which is insanely useful. You can open this up. Now, this is one thing I realized too. This thing also reads files that normally I don't think you could read without. Well, no, I transferred files that were taken on my phone, on my camera with a different codec. I've transferred them to my phone and read them, but I thought this adapter might have a limitation. But no, you can literally play like 4K clips on here that you recorded on a camera. If you go in here, where is it? I'm trying to find something that might be in 4K. I don't see one at the moment. But here's me and Anthony. A little laggy, of course. I would most likely use this for transferring rather than playing off the card. But yeah, it's actually pretty cool. And I've already transferred some stuff over. I've already transferred some things over into iMovie. So the beginning of this video was actually done on my phone. I just plugged my SD card reader into the phone, and then I just pulled the clips on here and then the audio out of the video memos app, and then I just lined them up. And as you can see here, I
I took it right here, lined the audio up, did a couple cuts, and then I just went up to done, pressed the share button on the bottom, and then I said export project, and then I airdropped to my Mac, and then I just finished it on my Mac. Now moving over to my Mac, you can see that I have the project right here. It carries the same name over from the iMovie app, and you can see I have the clips that I put in here. This is the audio clip that I had, and then these are some iPad clips I was going to use, but it wasn't the right ones. I am going to airdrop the clip I just took on my phone before I transferred you guys over here. This is so cool. I love how this stuff works so hand in hand. It's amazing. So I'm transferring the clip from my iPhone. This is pretty meta right now. Like, I'm literally just pulling the clip that you guys just saw before this one. This is insane. So then just size this up to where I want it. So now the last piece I need is the clip I'm currently recording right now on my Mac. This is some serious inception right now because I'm literally taking these clips and putting them like into the project as I'm recording myself, putting them into the project, and it's just whew. But yeah, this adapter has been exactly what I wanted. Let me just finish this video up real quick. I guess I was wrong to say that was the last piece that I needed, because I actually needed this closing part right here with the edit I just did. So thank you guys for watching. This kind of turned into like a workflow video, but ultimately this thing made it so much easier to get into my thing. And of course that was one clip and one audio thing, but imagine days where like I was at the state fair and I was recording video the whole day, and I'm like, I had ideas about how I wanted to cut it. That's what happens a lot of the time, is I'm in some sort of situation where I'm like, I'm imagining the cuts later in editing, and it would be so nice to just go in there and cut them at the point I want, and then, you know, just fine tune it later. Because, you know, when you're going through the day, it's like you can have like 50 videos later, and then you have to like remember what you were gonna do later in editing. But now you can kind of give yourself a rough edit, you can do it as you go, and then, you know, finish it off later. I used to do something like that in the beginning of when I did my vlogs. I don't know why I stopped, to be honest. I knew this was around for a while, but I don't know why I didn't start using it. But bottom line is, I'm glad I am. And I'm glad I have this adapter to kind of do that. I'll definitely do a review video in the future about it to let you guys know how it's holding up and, you know, how it's doing. Man, I'm voice cracking a lot this morning. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for letting me distract myself a little bit. I'll definitely tell you guys a little more about what's going on later in the future. But yeah, thank you for letting me have this right now. I definitely needed it. I'll talk to you guys later.